Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing right on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to bring you on an adventure with me, and we're going to sit there and make some arancini. Now, what arancini is, it's basically a deep fried rice ball. So, be sure to grab a hold of that vine and swing right on to my kitchen so we can get cooking. Good looking. Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because we're going to do a leftover makeover. Now, I have some Spam fried rice. And let me tell you, that Spam fried rice was good. Well, I don't want to sit there and overdo it with my family, so I decided I'm going to sit there and bring you along for a dish that you can use up any type of fried rice. Now, with that being said, let's just jump right on into our recipe. Okay, here's our Spam fried rice. You're going to be needing an egg. You're going to be either needing some cornflake crumbs, or you could go ahead and use panko. And we're going to be needing some water. Get yourself out 2 bowls. And also, if you want to have your meatballs all in uniform size, go and grab a small little ice cream scoop as such. And also, I grabbed a paper plate just to put my fried rice balls all on after I'm done mixing them all up. Also, grab yourself the spoon to mix up the 1 egg that we're going to sit there and add to the fried rice. So let's just go ahead and add the egg. Grab your spoon. Now be sure to break up the egg yolk. And now we're just going to sit there and mix all that egg right into the fried rice. Basically what the egg is going to do, it's just going to act as a binder. So I'll be back as soon as we're all done mixing all the fried rice into the egg. I mixed all the egg in. Now I'm going to grab a bowl. I'm going to grab the water that I have here. And this is just to wet our hands. So there's no exact measurement. You just need a bowl so you can dip your hands into. Now in this other bowl, go ahead, put your panko or put your cornflake crumbs in. And as you see in this bowl, I have some of the Kellogg cornflake crumbs. So now I'm just gonna dip my ice cream scoop in the water. I'm gonna get one hand wet to receive the 1 scoop as such. Put it into your hand. Dip your other hand in the water. Now this just helps it not stick to your hands. It makes you help form your balls. Now we're just gonna sit there, put that right into the cornflake mixture, and I'm gonna grab another spoon to help put the cornflakes all over the rice balls. Alright, I grabbed myself a spoon. Now let's just go ahead, roll all this goodness into the cornflake mixture, remove the little ball, All my Spam fried rice is all used up, as you see here by my empty container. Here are our breaded arancinis all ready to be deep fried. So I'm gonna go over to my stove, I'm gonna heat my oil all up, and then I'm gonna bring you along for when we deep fry these arancinis up. Okay, I have our oil back here. We're gonna sit there and take that and put it over on the stove. Here's our arancini deep fried rice balls that we're gonna be doing. Now let's talk about the sauce that you can dip it all into. You can either get the Panda Express sweet chili sauce to dip them in, or you can make your own. And when I say by making our own, you would sit there and need 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 4 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. Mix that all up. You decide which way you're gonna go. If you want to sit there and have the traditional dipping sauce that go with these deep fried rice balls, or what some people know as arancini, or you can sit there and dip the deep fried rice balls into the sweet chili sauce. Now remember, this was Spam fried rice, and it was my own version of this canned Spam that I do. It's a lot leaner of a Spam that's available out on any market. And let me tell you folks, that fried rice was dang good last night. But I don't want to sit there and overdo it with my family, so I'm just sitting there taking the fried rice to the next level, because we had this last night for supper, and I'm just doing a leftover makeover. Here I have our fried rice, deep fried. Now don't overcrowd your pan, and you want them to be brown just as they are. Look at that beautiful footage. Oh, does that look pretty? In fact, they're so pretty we gotta show you again. Now I just put some new ones in. We're browning them up, and then I'm gonna flip them over until they look like this when I pull them out. Look at these little beauties. And folks, you really can't tell that you're eating fried rice. I have to admit, I was totally amazed and blown away myself. Now, this family may have a new family favorite that we're gonna rotate quite often. Now, that's how easy it is to make arancini deep fried rice balls. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell, that way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Now I'm gonna sit there and toast my husband with one of these, and I'm going with the sweet and sour, because that's what I like to dip mine all in. Oh. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm.